Morning students. In last class we saw how to solve the equation when variables are on both the sides. Okay, so based on that we have solved exercise also. In today's class we are going to see some of the applications of that. Okay, now see what they are given. The digits of a two-digit number is there. The digit of that differ by 3. Okay, if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. So what can be the original number? See here, solution. See here, the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. Okay, see here, two-digit number means here 23, 45. These all are what? Two-digit number, no? Okay. What they given condition? The digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. Okay, see here. Let the digit at one's place be B. Okay. And the digit at tens place be B plus 3. Okay. See here, what they are told is, if you take two-digit number, any two-digit number, that should differ by 3. Okay, if you take a two-digit number, it should differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged, if you interchange that digits, the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. So what can be the original number? Say we have assumed here, let the digit at one's place be B and the digit at tens place be B plus 3. So what is then this number? Then the number is, okay, then the number is, see here, 10 multiplied by B plus 3 plus B. Yes or no? This is that two-digit number. Say if you simplify this, what you will get? 10 into B is 10B plus 10 3s are 30 plus B. Okay. So what is this? It is 11B plus 30. Okay. Now see, if the digits are interchanged, means what? At tens place this B number will be there, at ones place this B plus 3 number will be there. Okay. So after interchanging the digits, number is equal to, say after changing the digit. Now say students, at tens place you have took B plus 3, yes, at tens place you took 10 plus, at tens place you took B plus 3 number, at ones place the number you took is, at ones place which number you took? B. Okay, after interchanging what will happen means, so this will become a tens digit and this will become a ones digit. Okay, what is then that number? That number is 10B plus B plus 3. Okay, so if we expand, what we will get? 10B plus B plus 3. It is 11B plus 3. Okay, after interchanging the digits, we are getting this number. Okay, see, according to the question what they are given, if resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. See, according to question, see, according to question what they are given, resulting number is added to the original number. Okay, that is 11b plus 3. This number is added to the original number, that is 11b plus 30. This is equal to what they are given, 143. Okay, now solve this. So remove this bracket, 11b plus 3 plus 11b plus 30 is equal to 143. So this implies 11b plus 11b is 22b plus 3 plus 30 is 33 is equal to 143. So this implies 22b is equal to 143 minus 33. So what is 143 minus 33? 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, here it is 1, it is 110. So this implies 22b is equal to 110, this implies b is equal to 110 divided by 22. 11 2s are 11 10s are, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So this implies b is equal to 5. If you got b is equal to 5, then what is a is equal to? Now see, b we got 5. Okay, let the digit at one's place we got, that is 5. Okay, now see, so what is one number we got 5, what is one more number, that is b value got 5, no? 5 plus 3, it is 8. Okay, therefore the original, what they are told to find out the original number, therefore the original number is what? 58. This is the original number. Yes or no? See here, the difference between these two numbers is what? 3. Yes. So this is about the first problem. Next we'll go for the one more problem. So second one, Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shreya's age. So find their present ages. Now see here students, what they are given. Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. Okay, Arjun is twice means 2 times of Shreya's age. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their present age. Using the given data we are going to find the present age of what? Arjun and Shreya. See a solution. Let Shreya's present age be x years. Okay, let Shreya's present age be x year, and Arjun's age be, now see a student, Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. Shreya's age is X. Arjun is twice as old as Shreya means Arjun's age be 2x years. Now say Arjun's age be 2x years. Okay. Now say again the given condition. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Okay. See what we will write here. 5 years ago Shreya's age will be. Okay. Shreya's age will be what, student? After, they are not given after. 5 years ago means before 5 years. What was the Shreya's age? It is nothing but, we took here Shreya's present age be X. It will be X minus 5 years. Okay. And Arjun's age will be what? Arjun's age will be 2x minus 5. Okay, now see, they given that 5 years ago his age was, means Arjun's age was 3 times Shreya's age. Okay, say according to question, what we can write here? Okay, see here, his means Arjun's. Okay, 5 years ago Arjun's age was 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Okay, his age was 3 times, means 3 times of Shreya's age. What is Shreya's age? It is x minus 5. Now solve this. Now see here, 2x minus 5, 3 into x is 3x minus 3 5s are 15. Now you know how to solve if the variables are on both the sides. How to solve this? See here, 2x, I am going to transfer this term to the LHS. Okay, left hand side. If you transpose, the sign will going to be changed. It will be minus 3x is equal to minus 15. Okay, if I transpose this term here, it will become plus 5. So this implies 2x minus 3x is minus x. Okay, what is minus 15 plus 5? It is minus 10. So this implies x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Okay, now what we have assumed here? X is Shreya's present age. Therefore Shreya's present age will be, what is that? Shreya's present age will be 10 years and Arjun's age B. So what we have took here? 2x years, that is nothing but 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20 years. Okay, so this is about the worked problems based on some more applications. So now we are going to see exercise 2.4. Based on this, we are going to solve the exercise. So here that is exercise 3.4. First question, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5/2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. She thought of they asked, what is that number? Now see here, in exercise 3.4, the first question, Amina thinks of a number. She thinks one number, okay, and subtracts 5/2 from it. Whatever she will think the number, no, from that she will subtract 5/2. Again, she multiplies the result by 8. Whatever she will get answer, she will multiply that answer by 8. The result now obtained, whatever the answer she got, is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? We have to find here what she thought. Means whatever she thinks a number, no, what she thought, we have to find out that. See here, solution. Let the number be x. Okay, they told what Amina thought number, no, that we have to find out here. We will take let the number be x. Okay, now see, we assumed here x according to question. According to question. So according to question, what we can write here? Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5/2 from it, means x minus 5/2. Okay. She multiplies the result by 8. This, whatever she get the answer, no, for that number she will multiply by 8. Okay. The result now obtained, whatever the result she got now, that is 3 times the same number, means 3 times of x. You have to find out here what is the value of x. Now see here, remove the bracket, it will become 8x minus 8 multiplied by 5/2 is equal to 3x. Okay, so this implies 8x, 2 ones are 2 fours are, it is nothing but 5 fours are 20 is equal to 3x. So this implies, so we will take variable on one side. Okay, just transpose this number to here, it will become 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. So this implies, what is 8 minus 3? It is 5x is equal to 20. So this implies x is equal to 20 by 5 is what? Now see, students are done here direct. Now we want the value of x, right? That's why divide both side by 5. 5 will get cancelled, 5 ones are 5 fours are. So this implies x is equal to 4. Okay. So we got, therefore, what we can write? The number is, what is the number? The number is 4. This is the number. Okay. Next we will go for the next question, that is third one. So third one here, sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Now see here, the third question tells us that sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 9. Okay, means the sum of the two-digit means any two-digit number. If we add sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 9. If we add that numbers, okay, if we add these digits, the sum will going to be equal to 9. Okay, when we interchange the digits, if we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? So according to the conditions we have to, okay, according to the conditions we have to write some here steps and we have to find out what is that numbers. Okay, see here. Solution. Select the digits, let the digit at tens place be what? We will take it as x, and ones place be, okay, it is 9 minus. Now see student, what they told, take any two-digit number. In how that digits are means, so if you do the addition, the sum will going to equal to 9. Now see, I took one number as x, okay, I took one digit as x and one more digit as 9 minus x. So if we add this, so what is that? The sum is 9. Okay, when we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Okay, what is the two-digit number they have told? Now see, let the digit at tens place be x and ones place be 9 minus x. Then the number is what, students? Then the number is, what that number is? 10x plus 9 minus x. If you simplify this, what will get? 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay. Now see, if we simplify this, what will get? 10x minus x is 9x. 9x plus 9. Okay. On interchanging the digits, the number, what the number will be? Now see students, at tens place we took the number as x and at units place we took the number as 9 minus 6. At tens place we took this number, at units place we took this number. Now we are going to change this. On interchanging, what is the number? This will become tens digit and this will become units digit. Okay, now see. Now on interchanging the digit, what is the number? That is 10 multiplied by 9 minus x plus x. Plus x. Yes or no? Now solve this. 10 nines are 90 minus 10 x are 10x plus x is equal to 90 minus 9x. Okay. Now according to questions here, according to question, say what they are given. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. This new number, okay, is greater than original number. This is the original number. What is that? 9x plus 9 by how much? By 27. Okay. Now see, solve this. 90 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9 plus 27. Okay. Now see, take variables on one side. What is that? Minus 9x. Here I will take this side. Minus 9x is equal to 9 plus 27, and take this at this side. It will become minus 90. Minus 9x is minus 18x is equal to, okay, what is 27 plus 9? 27 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 36. What is minus 90 plus 36? 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. So minus 54. Okay. So this implies x is equal to minus 54 divided by minus 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 threes are 54. So this implies x is equal to 3. Okay. They told what is the 2-digit number. What is the 2-digit number? What is that number? Okay. We got x is equal to 3. Okay. What we assumed here, let the digit at tens place be x. X is 3 we got. Then what about ones place digit? It is nothing but 9 minus 3. It is 6. So what we can write here? See now see here. 9 minus x is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So therefore the 2-digit number is, what is the 2-digit number? The 2-digit number is 36. Okay. Next we are going to see the next problem. Now see here students, the 5th question. Shubho's mother's present age is 6 times Shubho's present age. Okay. What are they given? Shubho's mother's present age is 6 times Shubho's present age. Okay. Shubho's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? In this question we have to find out the present age of Shubho and Shubho's mother. See a solution. So how we will start? Let the present age of Shubho, okay, Shubho's So the present age of Shubho's be X. Okay, and Shubho's mother's age be, now see, Shubho's mother's present age is 6 times Shubho's present age, that is 6x. Okay, now see here, according to question, what are they given? Shubho's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now. What we took Shubho's present age as x, means Shubho's present age we have took it as x. They have given conditions. Shubho's age 5 years from now, means it is x plus 5 is, okay, E will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 means 1/3 times of 6x. Okay, now simplify. X plus 5 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 2x is it is 2x. So this implies take like terms one side or the variable on one side, that is 5 is equal to 2x minus x. So this implies 5 is equal to x. So therefore x is equal to 5. That is Shubho's, okay, Shubho's present age is 5 years and Shubho's mother's present age is, what is that? We took it as 6x. 6x means 6 multiplied by 5, that is 30 years. Okay, this is about